Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Gideon and I am a computer instructor, a data analyst, and a lover of the possibilities created by computer. Yes, as I know throughout my experience in the use of computer, I have realized that it has brought about a lot of possibilities, especially where you have the opportunity to undo or redo. Yes, there are very many possibilities that your computer can achieve, though challenging sometimes, but achievable if applied the right way. So I'm going to teach us how to see or view the password of our connected Wi-Fi device. This is a HP laptop, so this will be very useful for uh, for view. You can view how to see passwords of connected Wi-Fi devices. So I'll just bring in the process, the instructions, and then we'll see everything. But before I proceed further, I would like to let you to understand that your laptop or your computer, be it desktop or a laptop, sorry, has many possibilities that you can achieve from it. Yes, and as time goes by, I will do my best to make sure that I present some basics for instructions. Yes, at least letting you see some other things on how to do this, how to do that when it comes to your computer. I'm not saying I know it all, but that which I know, I'll try to post here. So please try to like my platform, and please follow, subscribe if possible, because if you have interest in other information that will be shared subsequently online. So let's start the process. I know that conversion. So first, you go to your, you go straight to your connected device. Take for instance, you must make sure your device is connected. Yes, you make sure your device is connected. When your device is connected, then you have a better chance of being able to get see the password. Yes, view the password, and you can save it for uh, later correction. Yes. So the first thing is to make sure your device is connected. Now I'm going to connect. I want to connect my device. And I want to connect my phone. I want to connect my phone to it, and I've turned on my hotspot. I just turned on my hotspot, and it will be connected shortly. You see it here when it's connected, and upon connection, you now go ahead to viewing the password. Yes, because there are some persons that see now the data has been connected, and let's go straight. So how it's being executed, turning on uh, your network, I mean the network that you'll be connected to, and as you can see mine is Techno 2 Plus. So as time goes on, you you see how the password is being viewed. You can see the password, and then in case you are in you are you are a newbie in the environment, you can see through another person's connected device, another person's connected laptop, and then you connect. Yes. So the, the process is by clicking on this, click here, click on it, then you see list of connected devices, right? I believe is mine, but that's not where we are going to. So you select network and internet settings. Yes, once you select network and internet settings, you see it building up and loading up. And next, you select change adapter options under advanced network settings depending on your laptop. If you were to be newer versions, I believe you have to click on advanced network settings first. Then you select change adapter options. Once you select on it, if you take you to network connections, and as you can see, Wi-Fi is the one that is connected, local area network is not connected, neither is internet connected. You select, or you right click, on your Wi-Fi, and then you see status. Yes. If you don't have any connected device which is connected to, this status will not be clickable. That's why it is recommended highly that you are initially connected, or you are accessing the password through an already connected laptop. So you select status, and you see details like this, and you see the name, the network, the signal quality. See it's high, the speed, not on a high one, but at least it's usable. Now you have to select wireless practice. Select wireless practice. I think select wireless practice. You see connection, and this connection, and you have to select security. Yes, this is the password. Yes, if you want to go on it, you select show characters. Select show characters. So you can use it to show or view the password. As you can see, this is the encryption type, and this is security type. And here, you click on, you see your password. You see? So that's the it's been executed. You can see the password as just displayed. That's how you can achieve this. I hope you learned a lot in this lesson today. And hopefully by our next class, or by the next how to instructions, will show you more tips and what and how you can perform some other challenges. Uh, yeah, especially when it comes to your Excel, your Microsoft Word, your PowerPoint, and not just that, even your Microsoft Access. There are some persons that have been asking me questions on how to do this, how to do that, and I'm here to make sure that all the possibilities of answering your questions are executed here, and that would be the best thing that will ever happen to my followers, my subscribers out there. I wish you all the best as we prepare for our next video. Thank you very much, and God bless. See you by our next video.